Good morning, Bedford Hills. I'm Ella White, your SCA historian.
And I'm Fiona Lackland, your SCA treasurer. And this is the news for Friday, January 17th, 2020.
Today's word of the day is banner. A banner is a flag or cloth, usually rectangular, which represents a group of some sort.
In Harry Potter, all of the different houses have banners that represent them.
Today in history, in 1773, Captain James Hook became the first explorer to cross the Antarctic Circle.
In 1916, the Professional Golfers Association, PGA, was formed.
And in 1917, the United States bought the Virgin Islands from Denmark for $25 million. That was a lot of money at that time. Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
This is the day we celebrate his birthday and all that he did for the civil rights and the unifying of our nation with his dream of peace and freedom.
Try to do something helpful for our Husky community on that day. People all over the nation will be joining you in a day of volunteer service. Oddly enough, there isn't a national holiday today.
So we declare it Nothing Day.
That's it from us.
Enjoy your long weekend as we celebrate Martin Luther King Jr.
This is Ella White
and Fiona Lackland. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.